What's going on, guys? It's Sam, or Sam62 here, and as you can see from behind me, I've got something very special to show you today. X-rated mesh jump bike. It's basically a mix between a BMX and a mountain bike. It's the size of a mountain bike, but it's made to look like a BMX. As you can see, stump whips, the BMX seat, BMX sprocket, BMX pedals, and I'm going to show you what I look like on this beast. You're pretty sick, huh? I don't know why I got that on there, but I'm sure I've got some upgrades to come. And look at this, look. Sickest thing ever. See if I've got this little cover to go on the bolt there. So, I like them brakes as well, actually. Look at the beast. Look at them. Sick. So yeah. Now, about videos of this bike, I don't know if I'm going to be doing many. Probably do one later on with my mate, but probably not. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.